Good evening, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan and this is Auto Detour. This isn't normally how I start my videos. I don't usually film them in the house. I usually film them in the garage or in the driveway. But today's a very special day because back in March I announced that I was going to be giving away a GoPro Hero 6, which I have here. Let me go grab it 1 second. Here it is. Brand new GoPro Hero 6 black, brand new inbox, and so I'm going to be giving that away. I'm excited to be giving that away because that means I passed 1,000 subscribers. And if you're not familiar with YouTube, the reason 1,000 subscribers is significant is that's when you start to get monetized. So that's, I mean, it's not going to be a lot of money for sure, but it certainly helps to bring in a little bit of money, and it's a big achievement for me. I'm really proud of how far that I brought the channel, and you know, I've had a lot of fun along the way, and obviously we're just getting started. So I'm really looking forward to where this adventure takes us. But you can see here eating a piece of my 1,000 subscriber cake that my kids bought for me. I'm sure that my wife, being very pregnant, had nothing to do with that decision, but still I really appreciate the gesture. That is a big deal to all of us because I've been working pretty hard to get us to this point. So anyway, with that being said, there were some criteria that had to be met in order to qualify to win the GoPro, and if you want to go over those criteria, I did make a video on that. Feel free to go watch it. But anyway, I made a list of everyone that qualified, and then I went and I put the list into random.org here. I have the list in here. I wish I could show you this part, but everybody may not want to be on blast on one of my videos here, so I want to keep everybody's name private, and I will say that I am going to contact the winner and get their permission as well to make sure that they are fine with me putting their name out there on this video. So if their name is out there on this video, then you know that I had permission to do so. So let's go ahead. I have them pasted in here. I'm going to go ahead and hit enter. Perfect. So here we are. I can cover up the rest of the names here. I got a post-it note here. I think I got them all. Let's do one more post-it note just to be sure. Okay, there we go. We have our winner. So let's show it to you guys here. So here's our winner right there, Clayton Edberg. So that's really exciting. Clayton, congratulations, buddy. You won the GoPro Hero 6. And by the time this video is out, I'm sure I've already reached out to you. I am going to put Clayton's Instagram and YouTube on the screen here. Clayton does have a few videos out there, and be sure to go subscribe to his channel, follow along, and hopefully he does something fun with the GoPro for his YouTube channel. It'll be fun to follow that and see what he does with it. Congratulations. I'll be sending that out as soon as possible, and thank you so much for your support, Clayton, and everyone else that tuned into the channel. This won't be my last giveaway, so be sure to continue to follow along. One major achievement reached, so that's super exciting. I wanted to keep this as fair as possible, so I just did a random drawing rather than selecting one person that did or this or that. I just wanted to make it as fair as possible, and there were a few people that had their names put in there a couple times because, like I said, you would get your name put in there a couple of extra times if you purchased one of my t-shirts, and there were a few people that did that. And so again, thank you to you guys especially for the support. If any of the rest of you would like to buy one of my t-shirts, well, I'm not wearing one now, but they will be in the link down below. We have t-shirts, hoodies, kids t-shirts, and now we have vinyl stickers, vinyl decals available from my buddy Vinyl Tie down in Texas. So anyway, the links to all that are down below. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like I said, this channel's just getting started, and by the time I'm making this, I already have almost 2,000 subscribers. So I didn't quite jump on the giveaway train quite as quickly as I probably should have. So thank you guys for waiting around. I have one other thing I want to do. We're gonna head out to the garage and take care of that. All right, so we're headed out to the garage here. There's the S8 with, as you can see, junk on it again. And truck sitting out there drying towels. But we're gonna look at the Armada today. We're gonna do something here I've been meaning to do for a little while now. We're gonna throw the old Auto Detour vinyl logo on the back of there. So my wife isn't particularly fond of having stickers on her car because she's afraid of if she happens to do something that somebody else doesn't like on the roadway, they have a way of contacting us. But it does make sense that her car is out driving around the most with the kids, and for getting that logo out there. So I'm gonna slap one on her car here. I haven't really told her that I'm doing this yet, so we'll see if she notices. But yeah, if you happen to see her driving around out there on the Blue Whale around the Twin Cities here, go ahead and give her a honk and a thumbs up. Anyway, let's get the sticker put on the car. Sorry, I'm filming at night, and I'm sure the garage light isn't the best, but I'm sure the lighting for this video is terrible, but you'll get the idea. Oh. So, like I said, the link to these stickers are down below from vinyltie.com, but he uses this really cool transfer paper. It's almost clear, so you can see what you're doing a lot better than some of the, like I used, I did like a cheap, I did a cheap sticker from like Fast Signs or Signs Now, I can't remember the name of the place, for the big one on the S8, and it comes with just this really rigid like paper, transfer paper, and this stuff is super nice because obviously you can see through it, makes it placing it a lot better, and this is a lot more forgiving than the paper transfer stuff. I don't know what you call it, I'm not in the vinyl business, but this is the 6-inch one. You can get them in multiple sizes. The one on my truck is the 9-inch one, and you can get them in a full array of different colors to match your car. So yeah, go ahead and check those out. I appreciate the support. Let's get this sucker on here. There we go, it's on there. Now let's pull this off of here. You can see, you can barely even see this transfer paper. This is the best part. It's very satisfying pulling the transfer off. Sorry, the lighting's terrible. All right. There you go, honey. You're part of the club. Now the trick is to see if she even notices that, but I bet she will. And so, yeah. If you guys see Krista rolling around in the blue armadillo with the Auto Detour sticker on the back, be sure to give her a wave as you see her, and I'm sure she'll appreciate that. So with all that being said, congratulations to Clayton again. That's going to be really cool to get that GoPro over to you. Thanks again to all of you guys for the support. We're already almost 2,000 subscribers, which is incredible. But that's going to do it for this video. Just a quick update on the winner and getting my wife into the Auto Detour Club. So all my vehicles are officially marked. Well, I guess I could put a sticker on the boat, but that wouldn't get us much exposure. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Stay tuned for the next giveaway. Not sure when I'm going to do that yet and what I'm going to give away, but you'll just have to find out. Smash that like button, leave a comment below, and again, be sure to subscribe. And we'll talk to you guys next time. Yeah, really good. That 1,000 subscriber cake is delicious.